Hey guys, it's Alex here, and I'm coming at you with this full glam green smoky eye. Stay tuned. So if you watched my last video, you know I like to go in with a face moisturizer, then my primer. Everything will be listed right below, so you'll be able to see the name as it comes on the screen. I moisturize, now priming with the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. Right here, I'm just going to be adding a little bit of loose powder to her brows just so that they don't move around and that they're not shiny when I apply the actual brow product. We're going to go in with the Morphe brow pencil. This is my favorite brow pencil, you guys. This is in the color Java. It's really good. We're going to start off by brushing her brows, and then after we brush it, we're going to start outlining them at the bottom, and then also we're going to do the same thing to the top and then fill them in. As you can see here, I don't begin all the way in the front because I do like the fade more natural effect, and so that's a little tip that'll help you get you that. Don't start all the way in the front, guys. Start like half a centimeter to the back. If you guys want like a full just brow tutorial, let me know that in the comments. Next, you're gonna go in with your concealer. I'm using Fawn by LA Girl, and you're gonna go ahead and use that to clean up the brow. You're also bringing it down to her lid. I'm using that to prime for her eyeshadow too. Then you're gonna go ahead and buff it out so that way there's no creases. Alright, so if I'm doing something colorful, something bright, you're gonna see me using this palette right here. This is the Matte Book by the Crown Case. I'm gonna use the row of greens. So right here, you're going to see me going in with a lighter green just to buff everything out, you know, blend everything together. I'm also going to go in with a shade of yellow to help with that transition. Alright guys, I'm so sorry. I cannot remember the name of this palette that we're grabbing this shade of green from. It's a Morphe palette, one of their Glam palettes. It's purple on the outside. Sorry if you know it. Please drop the name in the comments. Then we're gonna grab this. It's like a really, really pale gold shade. We're gonna add that to her tear duct just to brighten up the look a little more. Y'all, this liner right here, it is so pretty and it glides on so smooth. On top of that, it's glue, guys. Yes, glue from the Beauty ATM. It's popping. Do y'all see this eye look? Y'all see this? Next, we're going in with our Beauty ATM lashes in the style Surcharge. Next, you're going to go ahead and apply your foundation. I'm using this one by Smashbox, and I'm going to be using a flat buffing brush. Brushes give you the most coverage, and I'm just going to go ahead and apply that all around her face, just not under her eyes directly. So just like the last video, guys, you're going in with your favorite concealer. Right now I'm using Tarte Shape Tape, and I'm applying it under her eyes, down the bridge of her nose, her chin, Cupid's bow. You're going to go ahead and buff all that out. Who else uses this brush? I feel like this is the holy grail of under eye brushes. This is the Real Techniques. I think this number is... I'm sorry, I can't remember the number, but y'all know this brush when you see it. Also, if you have any other recommendations of brushes that are really good under the eye, please drop them below. Please drop them below. You're going to go right ahead and grab that loose powder, and you're going to apply that to all the areas that you just put concealer. I like to press the powder in, especially if the person whose makeup you're doing has dry skin or you have dry skin. Pressing it is better than baking. Also, to help you avoid that cakey look under the eye. This right here is an easy way to get a nice nose contour. Alright, now that she's pretty set, we're going to go ahead and bronze her up. We're using Leader from also Morphe, the Glamour Bronze Bronzer. These are my favorite. Next, you're going to go ahead and apply your favorite blush. I'm using two colors from the blush binder, also by the Crown Case. After the blush, we're just going to go ahead and dust off all the extra powder that's still on her face. Going in with a little bit of highlight. We're just going to use that gold shade. Apply it down her nose, cupid's bow, chin, and a little bit onto her cheeks. Just a little bit. Alright, so you guys know we gotta smoke out her waterline. So we're gonna do that using the dark green and the middle green shade again. And yes, I'm using a napkin so it catches any fallout. Alright, now we're gonna go on my favorite lip pencil. And yes, it is actually by me. I have a brand called the Dip Collection. This is the color Cocoa. It is creamy, it's lightweight. Y'all, I promise I'm not disappointed with this lip pencil. www.thedipcollection.com, and you can also add me on Instagram at the Dip Collection. Thank you. We're also going to go in with a gloss, also by the Dip Collection, in the shade Exposed. This shade is a light pinky nude. It looks good on all skin tones. It's very moisturizing and it's minty. Like, come on. Now we're just going to go ahead and set her face. And we are all done with this look today, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you enjoyed. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.